Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, December 9th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But also, don't forget to check out my website, FXPipCollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course are included for only $30 per month. So anyways, on the pound dollar, we've been going down pretty strong. We do have a little bit of a Fibonacci bounce, but that definitely doesn't tell me that we're going back up yet. I still think that eventually this is going to either make an expanding flat, which would go down and take out these lows and continue up, or it's going to end up being like a running flat type pattern. And if that's the case, then it would end up making a higher low, and continuing back up. Either way, we should better recognize the end of this downtrend on shorter time frames. So heading down to the weekly time frame. So on the weekly time frame, we definitely do have a pretty impulsive move up, as you can see. We have a Fibonacci bounce. We possibly have the end of this trend right here. The thing is on the higher time frames, we don't really have any break of structure or a higher low yet to confirm 100% that that really is the end of that trend. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we definitely do have a break of structure to the upside. Now, that doesn't necessarily mean that we are in a trend reversal or that we're back up. We could just be looking at a crutch into these last moves down, the last like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves down. So I would be watching my Fibonacci retracement levels very, very closely. If it makes a big engulfing move to the downside at a fib level, then there's a pretty good chance that it will end up continuing back down. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame, I personally think because of the break of structure, we should be looking for longs right now. But while we're looking for longs, we need to keep in mind that this move right here could be an ABC crutch into the downtrend. So if we get like a big break to the downside at a Fibonacci level, like a good break of structure that holds below structure, then I think we need to continue to look for shorts. Until we actually see something like that, though, I think that longs are the way to go on shorter time frames. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, kind of looks like we made another 1, 2, 3 pattern to the downside, another ABC correction, which is what I would be looking for to go long. I'm constantly looking for these three-way pullbacks, which are literally everywhere in the market, 1, 2, 3 waves down to go long for the continuation of what is the flow on the higher roadmap time frames. So I would want to be long right now, holding a long. I definitely wouldn't be trying to go long now. If it does, make another pullback later on, especially if it's a three-way pullback with an impulsive engulfing move to the upside, then I would go long again, potentially for the continuation of the uptrend. While we're looking for longs, we need to pay attention to these fib levels. If we get like a big bounce to the downside, a nice solid break and hold below structure, then I would definitely stop looking for longs and I would definitely start looking for shorts again. But until then, go with the flow on the higher roadmap time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.